If you love smart kitchen gadgets, you're going to want to see these. Today we are checking out 20 Amazon kitchen finds that can save time, reduce mess, and make cooking way more convenient. Some of these are seriously genius, so let's jump into number 1. Number 1, the CHEFFANO meat grinder. A powerful kitchen tool that makes it easy to grind meat at home for burgers, sausages, meatballs, and more. It helps you save prep time, gives you more control over ingredients, and makes home cooking feel way more convenient. It also supports fresher meal prep, helps you customize your recipes, and makes batch cooking a lot easier. Practical, efficient, and perfect for home kitchens. Number 2, the Sharta Espresso machine, a sleek and convenient coffee essential that lets you make rich espresso drinks right at home. It helps save money on coffee runs, makes mornings more enjoyable, and gives your kitchen a more premium coffee setup. It also helps you customize your drinks, speeds up your morning routine, creates cafe-style coffee at home, and makes everyday coffee feel a lot more satisfying. Stylish, practical, and perfect for coffee lovers. Link in the description. Number 3, the Scentfen 20-ounce drinking glasses. A stylish and practical drinkware set that's perfect for iced coffee, juice, soda, smoothies, or everyday drinks. They help upgrade your kitchen setup, make drinks look more appealing, and add a clean, modern touch to your table or coffee station. They are also great for entertaining, comfortable to hold, easy to use every day, and make your drink setup feel a little more elevated. Stylish, versatile, and perfect for everyday use. Number 4, the KUMD 10-pack fridge organizer. A simple but super useful storage solution that helps keep your refrigerator cleaner, neater, and way more organized. It's great for drinks, snacks, produce, condiments, and everyday essentials, while making everything easier to see and grab. It also helps reduce clutter, maximize shelf space, separate different food categories, and make your fridge setup feel a lot more efficient. Practical, versatile, and perfect for everyday use. Number 5, the Presto FryDaddy Electric Deep Fryer. A compact and convenient kitchen appliance that makes it easy to fry crispy snacks and comfort foods right at home. It's great for fries, chicken, onion rings, and more, while helping you cook faster and with less hassle. It also makes snack prep more convenient, gives you consistent results, and adds more fun to your home cooking setup. Number 6, the Ninja NeverClog Cold Press Juicer. A powerful and convenient way to make fresh juice at home with less hassle and better everyday convenience. It's great for fruits and vegetables, helps support a healthier routine, and makes homemade juice feel a lot easier to enjoy. It also helps reduce prep frustration, gives you more control over ingredients, and makes your kitchen setup feel more modern and efficient. Number 7, the Cuisinart Panini Press and Stainless Steel Griddler. A versatile kitchen appliance that makes it easy to cook sandwiches, burgers, breakfast foods, and more all in one place. It helps save counter space, speeds up meal prep, and gives you more flexibility for everyday cooking. It also makes quick meals more convenient, supports a variety of recipes, and adds serious value to your kitchen setup. Number 8, the Nostalgia Tabletop Indoor Electric S'mores Maker. A fun and cozy kitchen gadget that brings the classic s'mores experience right into your home. It's perfect for family nights, parties, movie nights, or just making desserts a little more exciting. It also makes entertaining more fun, creates a cozy atmosphere, brings people together, and turns simple snacks into a more memorable experience. Fun, unique, and perfect for making sweet moments at home. Number 9, the Shoxil Pancake Batter Dispenser. A simple but super handy kitchen tool that helps make pancakes, cupcakes, waffles, and more with less mess and better control. It makes pouring batter quicker, cleaner, and way more convenient while helping keep your kitchen setup more organized during prep. It also helps with portion control, reduces spills, and makes breakfast or baking feel a lot easier. Link in the description. Number 10, the Cooker Future Cheese Grater. A simple but essential kitchen tool that makes shredding cheese, vegetables, chocolate, and more quick and convenient. It helps save prep time, makes cooking easier, and gives you fresher ingredients for meals, snacks, and recipes. It also improves kitchen efficiency, adds versatility to meal prep, reduces the need for pre-shredded ingredients, and makes everyday cooking feel a lot more convenient. Number 11, the Ninja DZ201 DualZone 2-Basket Air Fryer, a powerful and convenient kitchen appliance that lets you cook 2 different foods at the same time without needing 2 separate machines. It helps save time, makes meal prep easier, and gives you more flexibility for busy lunches, dinners, or family meals. It also helps reduce kitchen hassle, supports faster cooking, and makes everyday meals feel a lot more efficient and convenient. Number 12, the Zului Major Fully Automatic Espresso Machine, a premium coffee machine that brings cafe-style drinks right into your kitchen with way more convenience and less effort. It helps make mornings smoother, saves money on coffee shop runs, and gives you a more elevated home coffee experience. It also makes drink customization easier, adds luxury to your daily routine, and turns your kitchen into your own personal coffee bar. Number 13, the Joseph Spice Rack Organizer, a simple but super useful kitchen organizer that helps keep your spices neatly stored, easy to see, and quicker to grab while cooking. It helps reduce cabinet clutter, saves time during meal prep, and makes your kitchen feel more organized and efficient. It also improves spice visibility, frees up shelf space, and keeps your cooking essentials within easy reach. Number 14, the RQYEKDO Kitchen Sink Strainers, a simple but essential kitchen tool that helps catch food scraps and debris before they go down the drain. They help keep your sink cleaner, make cleanup easier, and add a little extra convenience to your everyday kitchen routine. They also help reduce mess, support smoother cleanup, and make your sink area feel more organized and low maintenance. All links are in the description. Number 15, the Yangbaga Glass Sugar Coffee Containers, a stylish and practical storage set that helps keep sugar, coffee, tea, or other everyday essentials neatly organized and easy to access. They make your countertop or coffee station look cleaner, reduce packaging clutter, and add a more polished touch to your kitchen setup. They also improve visibility, keep essentials within reach, and make everyday routines feel more organized and intentional. Number 16, the AUTUCU Electric Hot Pot, a convenient and versatile cooking essential that makes it easy to prepare noodles, soups, ramen, hot pot meals, and quick comfort foods right at home. It's perfect for small kitchens, dorms, offices, or anyone who wants fast and simple cooking without using the stove. It also helps save time, adds flexibility to meal prep, and makes quick meals feel a lot more convenient and enjoyable. Number 17, the OSIPOTO Bread Maker Machine, a smart kitchen appliance that makes it easy to enjoy fresh homemade bread with way less effort. It helps save time, makes baking more convenient, and gives you more control over your ingredients and bread styles right at home. It also adds versatility to your kitchen, supports more homemade meals, and makes your mornings feel a little more special with fresh bread anytime. Number 18, the MyLifeUNIT Egg Frying Pan, a simple but super handy cookware essential that makes it easier to cook eggs, pancakes, mini sandwiches, and breakfast favorites with better shape and more convenience. It helps make breakfast prep quicker, keeps portions neat, and adds a little more fun and efficiency to your morning routine. It also supports easier cooking, cleaner presentation, and more organized meal prep in the kitchen. Number 19, the Mueller Vegetable Chopper 8-Blade, a super useful kitchen tool that helps make chopping fruits and vegetables faster, easier, and way more convenient. It's great for meal prep, salads, onions, peppers, and everyday cooking while helping reduce prep time and kitchen hassle. It also makes chopping more consistent, keeps prep more organized, improves kitchen efficiency, reduces cutting effort, minimizes mess, helps save energy during prep, speeds up meal preparation, supports cleaner cutting, and makes everyday cooking feel a lot more efficient and less time-consuming. Number 20, the UHIYEE Hand Crank Can Opener, a simple but essential kitchen tool that makes opening cans quicker, easier, and more convenient. It helps reduce hand strain, makes meal prep smoother, and adds practicality to your daily kitchen routine. All the links are in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart Amazon finds.